Hello everyone, welcome back. So how are you all? In this video we are going to show you very amazing lovely choice, beautiful with jute and burlap, crochet and handmade craft ideas, softened and alias rustic. So these are very interesting design ideas and very beautiful for everyone. Discover the beauty of blending soft crochet ideas with rustic burlap and jute. Each creation reflects warmth, creativity, and mindfulness. From delicate crochet flowers and frames to cozy wall decor and wreath, perfect for sustainable living, gifting, and turning everyday spaces into peaceful handmade heavens. Welcome to a world where nature meets creativity, where the softness of crochet threads waves beautifully with the rustic charm. In today's craft journey, we celebrate handmade craft, warm texture, and timeless, whether it's wall decor, floral arrangement, or cozy table pieces. Each creation tells the story of patience, love, and imagination. Crochet art is more than just stitching yarn. In the magic of turning a single thread into something meaningful, when paired with jute and burlap, it becomes an enchanting blend of softness and strength. Imagine a crochet flowers blooming on a burlap canvas, or a frame decorated with delicate crochet lace. Each combination brings natural warmth, perfect for home decor and handmade gifts. These crafts remind us that beauty doesn't need to be expensive. It's made with love, care, and creativity. Let's talk about ideas you can create. Crochet flowers, bouquets wrapped in burlap, jute or rope wreaths decorated with crochet petals, handmade crochet wall art with burlap background, table mats and coasters combining yarn and natural fibers, recycled jars or bottles covered with crochet lace and jute twine. These designs fit beautifully into any space, from cozy cottages to modern home, adding a touch of softness and nature-inspired elegance. Beyond their beauty, these crafts offer amazing benefits. They are eco-friendly, using natural recyclable materials like burlap or many things like that. You can make mixture of these type of crafts and cotton yarn. They support sustainability while keeping your creative spirit alive. Crafting also soothes the mind, the show rhythm of crochet, the texture of jute, the earthy scent of burlap all brings calmness, mindfulness, and a deep sense of satisfaction. It's not just art, it's therapy. You can also turn these crafts into a small business. People love handmade rustic decor, especially during festival, weddings, and home styling seasons. Make custom wall pieces, floral hanging, or table sets and share them online or at local crafts fairs. Each piece perfect reflects your personality, something no machine can ever copy. Remember, your home create more than decoration, they create emotions. So pick up your crochet hook, your rope and start crafting your story. Let your thread knot remind you that creativity has no limits. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and fill your home with handmade warmth and natural charms. Thank you for joining this crafting journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy handmade inspiration. So viewers, hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. May your home fulfilled with love and happiness, and what you have, may you have all things whatever you want. Burlap craft and handmade crochet craft. Every piece tells the story of patience, of love, and a handmade that creates something beautiful from simple things. Crochet create a feeling of calmness, the soft touch of yarn balanced with the raw charm of jute. It's cozy, it's rustic, it's timeless. Whether you craft for peace, decor, or a small business, these handmade pieces always bring joy to your space and your heart. Crochet isn't just about loop and stitches, it's the gentle rhythm, a flow of creativity that connects your mind and hands. When you blend it with woodlap, you bring nature into art. The rough texture of jute, the smoothness of yarn, the balance of color together they create harmony. Imagine a soft crochet flowers blooming from a rustic burlap pot, or a jute frame wrapped in crochet lace.